have Yentl Lieuw, the former director of Fundación para Nos Comunidad, on the show today. She discusses the board asking her to resign. Plus, we celebrate Valentine's Day by showing you a video that depicts what the holiday would be like if the roles of men and women were reversed. And the third annual beach volleyball tournament is coming up. We'll tell you all about it. 15 on 15 starts right now. Hi everyone, thanks for joining us and happy Valentine's Day. May you be single or in a happy relationship, just simply celebrate the great thing called love. Now we will have various Valentine's Day themed items on our show today, so be sure to stick around. But first, let's get started with your local news. Recently, the director of Aruba's food bank, more commonly known as Fundación para Nos Comunidad, was asked to resign. The decision has captured the general public's attention. We had Yentl Lieuw in the studio yesterday to discuss the situation. Yentl Lieuw says the decision from the board of Fundación para Nos Comunidad to let her go came as a complete shock. She struggled at first, but has come to terms with it now.
I think it's very important to start with that the board they have the right to ask someone to leave the foundation if they feel that the person will not maybe be able to do what they have planned for the foundation. So even if for me it was a surprise, and I've noticed that for many people around the island it came as a surprise as well, but I'm asking everyone, we have to respect the decision of the board because they are the boss. You are able to ask questions, you have all the right to question why the board has made such a decision.
The former director of FPNC doesn't want the community to lose sight on the bigger picture, and that is the families who need the public's support.
Listen, they ask me to leave, they feel I'm not the right person, they don't trust me anymore, it's okay, they have the right to do that. These are the arguments that they're giving for me to leave the foundation. Thank you very much for your support, and I hope you keep supporting the cause, because tomorrow the same families need to eat. So I hope that this situation, forget about Yentl, forget I was there, and let's give the new director a chance and continue helping the cause, the objective, regardless of who is there. The only thing I can tell you, I can't guarantee how it's going to be done because I'm not there. But besides that, there is no other food bank on the island, and they still need your support.
Yentl was sent a letter explaining why she was let go. The board listed reasons concerning how they expected Ms. Lieuw to find a new building for FPNC. They also said in the letter they want FPNC to be more transparent as well more professional. They didn't feel that Yentl brought that across. Yentl begs to differ. She feels FPNC has evolved under her guidance.
I believe that Fundación para Nos Comunidad actually showed itself more professionally because we started giving out many information about whom are getting the help, whom are the families, the statistical reports that we came up with and everything. I believe that actually showed that we grew in professionalism, but maybe they feel it should have been more. So we have to respect that idea, and I hope that they are able to make that happen now.
As for Yentl's next step, she hopes to continue with social work. She finds the field extremely rewarding. The best of luck to her. For now, let's set the Valentine's Day mood with Aruba Tourism Authority's cleverly thought out and executed video made in Aruba. With social media status settings nowadays, placing a label on things can be, well, complicated. Check this out.
Some kind of power on me, and I wanna hold your hand like no one's ever held your hand, and we won't need a plan when all our tomorrows are free. So look at me dear, I'm being sincere, I think you could be let's give it a run.
Coming up right after the break, we will have another Valentine's Day video. This time, we will showcase what the world would be like on this day if the roles of men and women were reversed. This is a sneak peek. Come. Welcome back from the break. Valentine's Day is a tricky day. Girls, some of them have high expectations, and some men are masters at romancing, while others are put to the test. This video that I'm about to show you depicts what the day would be like if men and women switched places on this holiday.
Hey, babe.
Morning. Happy Valentine's Day, sweetheart.
Thank you. You too. It's today.
I'm gonna shower.
Oh, shit. Hey, handsome. I got you a little something.
Ooh. European chocolate.
What's up, Big Daddy? Got you a little card.
It's Valentine's Day. Hope you live a little, dance a little, sing a little. Yep. Slut.
Right? Wow, this place is fancy.
I wanted to do something special for tonight. I need a dozen roses.
Yes, absolutely. We've actually got a great special going on right now. These will be $90.
$90? Are you kidding me? They were like $20 last week.
Well, it's Valentine's Day.
How do you sleep at night?
So, what'd you plan tonight?
What do you mean?
You didn't plan anything?
You said you didn't want to do anything. You said you hated this holiday. It was super cheesy.
I know what I said, but that's not what I meant. You're supposed to know what I mean.
I'm not a mind reader, babe.
I meant like I didn't want to do nothing major.
How am I supposed to know you don't mean what you say?
You don't even know me.
You don't have anything at like 8:45? Of course I know what day it is.
Happy D-Day.
This holiday sucks.
I hate it. It's the worst.
It's just made up.
You know what? We should be each other's Valentines.
I would love that.
Right? Forget chicks. this
How
year.
easy.
Sorry. Oh my god. Sarah just asked me out. That's awesome. Dude, that's great. Oh my god. Oh no. Dude, I'm sorry. You don't mind, do you?
No, that's great.
Someone's gonna call you. You're gonna get asked out. I promise.
All right, we should cheers. I got us some champagne.
Wow.
Cheers.
That's good.
Yeah, we should cheers again.
Okay.
Thanks for everything, babe.
Anything for you, sweetie.
Can you look in the glass? Look in the glass. Look in the glass.
Honey, there's a ring in the champagne.
I know!
Honey, what are you doing?
Will you marry me?
Like marriage?
Yeah.
Yes!
Yes! Yes! He said yes! Oh, yes!
Honey, right?
Yes!
There are going to be so many desperate guys out tonight. The second we walk in, it's just going to be like, yo, what up? Sausage fest! All of them are going to be so sad, and you know they're all single because they're going to be sulking by themselves at the bar just waiting for us to come out.
Oh, wow. I can't believe you made this.
Took me all day.
It must have.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Best one ever.
Once again, 15 on 15 is celebrating Valentine's Day, and on this Cupid's Love Day, we want to wish you a good one. We'll be right back. Stay with us. For anyone who likes being on the beach, being a bit active while getting a tan, or just anyone who likes contributing to a good cause, there is an upcoming event perfect for you. An annual fundraising volleyball tournament organized by a tourist is back, this time with more prizes and more foundations to help out. Michelle Beijing from Ottawa, Canada, met the Prime Minister Thursday night. A specially made pin with Canada and Aruba on it was given to Prime Minister Amen. The volleyball tournament is scheduled for March 9th. The tourist explains why she is taking her vacation time to contribute to the island's various causes.
Been coming to Aruba for 35 years, and I feel it's my duty to give back to this beautiful island. I've enjoyed it for 35 years, and now it's important for me to give back. And so, and I'm good at what I do, and I enjoy what I do, and I love helping people, and I love making a difference.
Casacuna, Ambiente Feliz, the Aruba Scholarship Foundation, and Kiprahacha are the organizations and foundations who will receive some of the funding generated at this tournament. The money will also go towards building a hut for a soccer field. There are advantages for tourists who has been coming to Aruba for 30 years to give back to the community. Michelle's spendings over the years will come back to a good cause.
Because for 35 years I've been spending a lot of money in the jewelry stores, I've been going to all the restaurants and shopping, and just made a great connection with the Aruban people and the Dutch people.
As a tourist who has been coming to Aruba for 35 years, she has witnessed the drastic infrastructure changes of the island.
When I first came here, I stayed at the Americana, and La Cabana, Tropicana, they didn't even exist. It's beautiful. Like now coming from the airport and coming to the hotels, the roads, everything is beautiful. And I have to tell you, you guys are doing a great job in Aruba because it's a big change, big change.
The volleyball tournament is scheduled for Sunday, March 9th. $200 per team is asked as contribution. For more information, you can call Michelle at 564-3179. That is our show for today. Thanks for watching. We'll be back here on Monday night starting at 7:15 p.m. right here on Channel 15 ATV. So we will see you then.